ZMI number 20, the world's most powerful power pack. The supercharging station has an ultra high capacity of 25,000 mAh and 210 watt max output that can support all your needs. The ZMI Power Pack number 20 offers a maximum output power of 100 watts for the USB-C 1 port, 45 watt output power for the USB-C 2 port, and 100 watts output power for the USB-A port. The total active output power for all three ports is 210 watts. Compared to the USB-C battery packs on the market, which are usually less than 60 watts, with the low USB-C power, the ZMI Power Pack number 20 is sufficient to juice up your devices and ensure efficient productivity. The USB-C 1 port provides the MacBook Pro with a charging power comparable to its original 96 watts charger, which can charge the laptop to 75% in just 1 hour. With this lightning charging speed, the iPhone 12 can be fully charged in just 1.7 hours. Whether you work from home, study, take photos, or play games, the ZMI Power Pack number 20 solves all the charging problems of your devices. Charge and enjoy your activities with only one universal compatible power bank. The company has conducted several tests to see how many times the ZMI Power Pack number 20 can fully charge different devices. The ZMI Power Pack number 20 features 3 PD single charge ports with independent circuits. Both USB-C ports are bidirectional for stable inputs and outputs, while the A port supports the output of A to C cables included in the kit. Charge your wireless headphones, GoPro, Bluetooth, and more with the ZMI Power Pack number 20. Just double-click the power button to turn it on and enjoy your uninterrupted leisure time. The ZMI Power Pack number 20 can recharge from 0 to 60% in just 50 minutes to 2 hours for a full charge of 25,000 mAh. This means you'll have a power bank that's already ready to go before you are. Flash, world's most powerful 210 watts USB-C power bank. Flash has not only one USB-C power delivery 3.0 port but also two USB-A ports and even a wireless charging pad. Flash delivers the most powerful USB-C 100 watts power delivery 3.0 charge in a single battery pack, while most of the competition struggles to even reach 60 watts. We have also thrown in a powerful 18 watts USB-A Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port and a specially designed USB-A port that's compatible with Huawei, Oppo, OnePlus, and Vivo's proprietary fast charging technologies. To top this, a Flash features a powerful 10 watts wireless fast charge pad, and it even supports 2.5 watts Apple Watch charge, meaning one power bank can charge all your devices including all smartphones with a wireless and even Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro. Quick Charge a large laptop including MacBook Pro or Dell XPS, a flagship phone Samsung S10 or S10 Plus, and other flagship phone Huawei P30 Pro, and your Apple Watch all the time, the same time. But that's not all. Flash works with any modern USB device, and almost all USB-C battery packs in the market are underpowered with tiny battery capacity or low USB-C power. Flash packs up to 100 watts USB-C power delivery in a single port and has the maximum 20,000 mAh battery capacity allowed on airplanes, yet it's still 17% lighter than the closest competitor. Over the past month, the company have listened to all the early backer feedback and gone straight back to the drawing board to see how we could incorporate all your suggestions and improve your experience. The company is super excited to share with you Flash 2.0, which packs a whole lot of extra powerful features. Despite the bonus features, the company ensured Flash 2.0 will remain the same size, making it super convenient to carry around with you everywhere. Satisfied with the original version of Flash? You will be excited to know that the company has made it even better with a few bonus upgrades that will be available for both Flash 1.0 and Flash 2.0. Vulcan, MagSafe 100 watts charger for all your devices. Vulcan cable is researched and produced with premium materials and revolution in design in order to be the best cable for all your devices. The existing magnetic cables on the market can only support either 100 watts or fast charging iPhone 12 up to 20 watts. If you choose 100 watts, you cannot fast charge your iPhone 12 up to 20 watts and vice versa. It means you need to buy two magnetic cables, one for charging to 100 watts if you have devices that need to be charged up to 100 watts, such as MacBook Pro 87 watts, and other one of the faster charging your iPhone up to 20 watts. Vulcan cable works very well with the popular in-car infotainment systems such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink. eMark IC and Smart IC are chosen to be integrated into Vulcan in order to feature the ability to fast charge all devices up to 100 watts. Especially, it can fast charge Apple phone to 20 watts. It's so cool, right? That incredible feature comes true because Vulcan supports the most popular USB types: Apple Lightning, USB-C, and Android Micro USB. Therefore, Vulcan became the world's first truly universal USB cable compatible with all devices: smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, power banks, gamepad, earbuds, headphones, and more. No need to waste time wondering which cable you should bring while going out. Smart Corby Pro, world's smallest portable charger. The Smart Corby Pro 30 watt is equipped with battery cells that are also used in Tesla vehicles. It is the next generation power bank that combines compactness with high output while also ensuring safety. As technology continues to make devices smaller and lighter, chargers and batteries are naturally required to be smaller as well. Nowadays, various devices such as iPhone 12 are compatible with 12 watts charger, and the MI MacBook Pro are also becoming more compact while requiring higher output, meaning charger and mobile batteries also need to have more capacity than before. However, achieving high power in chargers and mobile batteries requires a lot of electric energy. In the case of mobile batteries, it depends on the capacity of the battery cell that supplies the power and technology used to manufacture the battery. As a result, in most cases, high power batteries remain large, heavy, and difficult to carry around. The Smart Corby Pro 30 watt makes use of the same high power density battery cells used in Tesla cars, compressing energy to the limit to produce a compact high power battery. Smart Corby Pro is by far the most compact and portable battery, especially compared to conventional batteries, and support more than 30 watts. You can charge your smartphones, tablet devices, and even your laptop. It supports PD 30 watts charging, so M1 MacBook Pro can be charged too. It can also be used as a power source when working in cafes, when working from home, or when working remotely. Its compact size and high power output makes it easy to carry around, and it will not disturb you if you use it for the game consoles or other devices. What do you think the most important quality for a portable power bank is? We believe the answer is compactness. As if a power bank is too bulky, you won't want to carry it around with you, and all you need is to leave it at home. Smart Corby Pro 30 watts fits in your palm, but it's also very powerful. You can easily put it in your bag or pocket and carry it around all day. Compared to other models with the same specification, Smart Corby Pro is the smallest you can buy while maintaining the high output. Because of its small size, it can be used not only charging devices but also for the wearable applications such as electric heating vests and clothes with built-in fans. The Smart Corby Pro has a pass-through function that allows you to charge your phone and charge a battery at the same time. You do not have to worry about which one you should charge first. Super, world's most powerful 215 watts USB-C power bank. Super is the epic all-in-one power bank for all your charging needs. It is the king of instant power. It has two of the highest 100 watts and 65 watts input/output USB-C PD ports for starters. Then, in spite of being super compact and lightweight, it also has two 22 watts and 18 watts USB-A QC 3.0 ports and one 10 watts built-in wireless charging pad. So it can charge 5 devices at the same time with the universal compatibility. Super has two industry-leading powerful 22 watts and 18 watts USB are Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 ports that support all major fast charge protocol including Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Vivo, Oppo and OnePlus. Super charges your smart devices 4 times faster than others. Super's 100 watts, no mess, no fuss wireless charging output has a greater capacity than smartphones require. For example, 7.5 watts of iPhone 11 and it charges 1.5 times faster than most wireless charging pads, which is way faster than you can expect.